Good evening, everybody. Today's session is about the benefits from multiple streams of income model of selling your business or skill or knowledge or side hustle or passion or hobby. So before I get into the details of today's session, I would like to tell you, if you have any questions on this, kindly post it in the comments box so that I can answer it towards the end of the session or else at a later date. Secondly, I would like you to take notes of what is pertaining to relevant to your speciality, because at this time of the pandemic situation, what is going on around us, like I really want you to think about this option of making income and do something so that like you can get at least a side hustle, if not a uh, full-time income source. So all ready? Hi everybody, let me just stick my mobile and keep it ready so that I can see your comments. Okay, so thank you all for joining. And there is a special giveaway gift towards the end of the, if you stay till the end of this session. So why I'm doing this session is that, see, one of the key selling points of selling your expertise to others is the fact that you can develop a passive income stream. So the possibilities are numerous. When you work for somebody else, see, you have to sell your time for money that the uh, for working there, and you have to go there and work, and according to their particular time limits or geographical locations, whatever is there. So you generally have to trade your time for money when you work for somebody else. And this is a serious problem because like obviously there is only one you and you cannot work in two places. But what happens in uh, passive income stream of uh, passive income stream is that like um, you work once and you work very little and then create the assets, digital assets, and you continue to generate money even if you stop working on that. Are you getting it? So the most obvious, hi Dolly, how are you? So the most obvious example of this involves ebooks. Then there are numerous other products like you can create video tutorials, you can create e-courses, um, digital templates, chart charts, cheat sheets, reports. So the possibilities are numerous. You put in the work to write a book, for example, you write that book once, but once you have published it, say for example on Amazon Kindle or some other place, it continues to sell many times over, and you earn many times from a book that you worked once to create. Hi Malcolm, how are you? So another example would be like you create a how to do video once and you can sell it over and over again. Are you getting my point? So that is the power of passive income. The good news is when you sell your expertise or knowledge, the majority of these business models are passive in nature. Hi, Ajilal. Thanks for joining. So Like you don't have to be there actively coaching people or on a one-to-one basis. You can write a book or make the how to do video once, and then like you can set up the whole system, and people can view at their convenience, and you will be earning the passive income in the background. Hi Nirmal. So you can show up in a webinar and get it recorded and make it a recorded version. So there are more passive versions of selling your expertise and active ones. You can stop selling because selling your time for money. So here I'm going to give you top 10 reasons why selling your expertise as digital products outweighs physical products. You guys all ready to take notes? Quickly grab a pen and paper. Hello Ablash. Are you in India, Ablash? Or still there? Okay. Ready with a pen and paper? Okay. The number one reason why you have to create a digital product or productize your knowledge into a digital product is, hello Ananta, is its lower overhead cost. The first and the foremost reason why people create digital product is because of its lower overhead cost. You heard it right. Generally speaking, running a digital product business requires very less overhead than selling a physical product, because you don't need any physical storage, no manufacturing, no packing, no shipping, no handling cost. And compared to the real brick and mortar store or physical product business, you can also skip the rent, electricity, staff, all that can be skipped. With a digital product store, many things can be fully automated. Are you are you understanding the beauty of it? Okay, you are still in Qatar. Hello Thomas. So, like, from the customer accounts and communications to the digital delivery of your product, everything can be automated. Isn't that wonderful? Which other business offers you this facility? And especially in today's situation, you need to think about a business which does not require you to shell out money for all these expenses or costs. The second major reason why you should start a digital product business is the internet is a large market. See, running any kind of online business gives you the ability to reach a global audience, at least any audience with a reliable internet access can be reached. But if you are dealing with a physical product store, it has to have shipping limitations. Then, like nowadays, the shops are closed. People are not going to buy at the stores. So, whereas digital products are accessible to the entire planet, and online, it's easy to find your niche communities that will support all kinds of different products. You don't have to worry about the legality and logistics of using certain physical materials, like such as uh, you know you need to have some uh, like the physical materials, like you don't have to worry about much of legality and logistic things, because everything is digital. It's easy to deal with. Now the third reason is that it involves lower barrier and to entry. If you have any creative skill, it can be anything, writing, designing, music, video, education, other fields, There is nothing stopping you from creating and selling digital products. So actually, it is very, very ideal for people like Ajilal here. I know him personally. Ananta, Thomas, you all have very good skill, knowledge, which you can convert to digital product. See, on the whole, they are usually quicker and simpler to make depending on the complexity of the product. There are plenty of tools and resources to help you get started nowadays. And ultimately, like as long as you have a quality product, a PayPal or a Stripe account, and either a digital product marketplace account or your own website, you can get up and running with relatively low risk and minimal financial investment. And even nowadays, like you don't even need a website. You all have a Facebook, and that's why you are here, you are watching this. A Facebook profile or a Facebook page is enough. You just create a digital product and you can sell it through your Facebook. And of course, yes, one more thing is essential. You need to have a PayPal account or a Stripe account or a Payoneer. And I can give you exemption there also. Like even if you don't have a PayPal account, uh, you can. There are ways, but it is slightly difficult to get payment from abroad. So only three things are required, like your digital product, your Facebook profile or page, and a PayPal account or a Stripe account. And that is very easy. So depending on your product type, you can also create digital products completely independently without relying on others. You need not take up any training. You don't require the help of a coach or a mentor, and that allows you more flexibility to do things exactly how you want at your own pace. You get as much creative control as you like, and you are not at the mercy of staff or management or suppliers or warehouses or shipping carriers. You don't need any of them. And if you have specialized or niche experience in a traditionally offline industry or field of work, or if you possess a niche creative skill, it can absolutely be transferred over to digital world and sold as a service through your own website or Facebook or any other social media platform. Think consulting for an industry with your experience. Provide accounting services, provide real estate advice. You give your, if you are a designer or you have graphic designing abilities or has on design work or copywriting or copy editing or proofreading skill, any skill, you can sell your proficiency as a leader or as an expert in your field as a digital product. Now, the fourth important reason why you should um, go for a passive income stream is that the profit margins are irresistible. See, one of the biggest benefits of digital products is its profit. Without the cost of physical materials and other factors associated with the creation of physical products, the profit margin for digital products can be quite high. And just think, even if you ran an online store that sold physical products, you would still need a website with e-commerce tools and a way to facilitate payments and customer accounts. All those would be in addition to managing the physical side of your business. Whereas selling digital products consolidates all of your business activities into a digital realm, meaning less cost, more profit. The fifth major reason is digital products last forever. Hello, Shraddha. See, unlike physical products, digital products are not subject to wear and tear or deterioration. They may become less relevant over time as technology changes, but they can be updated easily and they last forever. Digital products can be used indefinitely, remaining in the same condition as they were at the day of purchase or at the day of making. And the sixth attractive reason why you all should create digital product is that it never gets out of stock. See, due to the nature of digital products, you can sell any copies, as many copies as you like, with unlimited duplication and shelf life. Some digital products sell for years and years, bringing in consistent passive income. Hello, Dinesh. So if you have any questions, don't hesitate to post in the comments. I'll answer them towards the end of the session. You can ask anything pertaining to setting up the passive income stream or creating digital products or turning your knowledge or skill into digital products. So in this business, like, your customer never have to worry about items being out of stock. So the product is always immediately available for dispatch, and it is easy to release also, because all you have to send is just send a link and boom, it goes. And within a matter of few minutes, the buyer will receive it. So easy, right? Now, the seventh major reason is it is easy to manage, sell, and deliver. See, managing your digital products is very easy than dealing with physical stock, and it requires only digital storage. And since it is a content management system is needed to keep things organized. That's all. And like, because you are not replenishing any physical goods, like, the storage of digital product can easily be created and run using just your laptop or even just your phone. Selling and delivering digital products also is much more streamlined, and customers can quickly and easily experience your digital product, making the purchase process much simpler and very straightforward. The online purchase is not only the new cultural standard, but it is also the fastest. And nobody needs to travel anywhere to get your product, nor do they have to wait days or weeks for delivery. Files are typically digitally distributed or available for download immediately after the purchase. And the transactions, like such as refunds, are also easier to manage because there is no extra packing, shipping, or handling required. So you can, hello Sheetal, hi Vishnu, hello Sinu. And the eighth reason why you all should create your own digital product is that, see, digital products offer unique ways of uh, to communicate directly with your customers and even build entire communities around your products. It is enticing, easy, and effective for customers to sign up for a mailing list or newsletter in exchange for immediate access to your digital product. And if you are selling products like training courses, for example, you can utilize social media or create an open forum for customers to ask questions, or exclusive private channels or private groups for communication. See, nowadays the Slack, Telegram, Mighty Networks, everything is available. People are even creating their private communities inside Facebook group, or even WhatsApp groups are also available. So it gives them direct access to you. a personal touch that creates extra value for them and set a foundation for your future releases. The ninth reason is that, see, it's the way of the future. See, modern digital life is a result of technological progress. Everybody agrees that, right? And there is no going back, especially considering the current situation where everybody is inside. Most people are unable to go out. Children are getting education through online. People are working from home. So, considering all these, the methods that people are getting used to, such as like the downloads, streaming, um, so all those things like digital products can cater specifically to this new culture and provide people with the education, entertainment, tools, resources they need to enhance their lives in one way or the other. So think about all this because it is unlikely that these type of products will go out of fashion anytime soon. So it is still a great time to get in on to action. All you have to do is just create a digital product in few days and launch it, sell it. You can always upgrade it later, improve it later. See, I want you all to earn quick income and like have a steady income during these times. The 10th major reason is like personal freedom and lifestyle. See, if you want to run your own business, you have to be location independent, have the freedom to be creative, produce your own products, then sell digital products. So everything is possible with your digital product business. And in on top of all these benefits, you will get substantial ongoing passive or semi passive income, and digital products can be the ticket to an entirely new lifestyle that is free from the cost restrictions of dealing with physical products. You can do it from almost anywhere, and with there are people earning millions of dollars in revenue. There are plenty of opportunities to create something valuable while generating income at the same time. To learn, see more about the various business models available in the market, like you can ask, but this multiple income stream MSI model is the best, is the most advisable business model for today's time. So do let me know like what are your major learnings, whether you want any help in converting your knowledge into digital product or creating any digital product or selling it. Let me know in the comments. And if you have any questions, you can ask. I'll wait for your questions. Do you have any questions? You can ask questions, doubts, clarifications. Are you all into digital product business? Hello, Sheetal. See, if you have any questions, I'm just waiting to get your questions. You can ask anything pertaining to converting your knowledge into online business or digital product, or selling digital product, or maybe even to know how you can create a digital product within 2 or 3 days and sell it and earn some, you know, extra bucks. See, I really want to help you creating this, and so that like I can inspire you, motivate you to earn some extra money during these financial crisis days, so that like at a later point of time you can think of doing it full time. Well, this is the last call. Do you have any questions? Anything to ask? Okay, no questions coming up. So, guy, thanks for watching. Hello, Haridas. You joined towards the end of the session. So, yes, in case if you have any, don't hesitate to post in the comments because I can answer that separately. Do let me know if you need any assistance in converting your. Yeah, hi Haridas, how are you all doing? Um, if you want any help in converting your knowledge into digital product or sell digital products immediately within a week's time, don't hesitate to call me or message me or post in the comments here. um, yes. mm, Make some quick income during this time. There is nothing that like people are earning, um, people are in fact minting money nowadays selling digital products, and there is huge demand for such products also. So this is the right time to launch your online business or to make some uh, side hustle which brings you passive income during the coming years. So with that, like, I'm signing off. Stay healthy, stay safe, and stay marvelous. Thank you all, and good night.